Hello guys, welcome to Solid tutorial. Now we shall see one more important solid question, that is what is the difference between generic solid and HTTP solid. Both are of type solids only. So let us see the difference between generic solid and HTTP solid. So what is generic solid first of all? So generic solid is given as a base class for all protocol solid. Generic solid is given as a solid is given as base class for all protocol specific solid classes, whereas HTTP solid is given to work with the protocol called HTTP. So HTTP solid given as protocol HTTP based class. So let us see now class type. Generic solid is abstract class with one abstract method. So generic solid class contains one abstract method and it's an abstract class, whereas HTTP solid is also abstract class but it does not contain any abstract method, means no abstract methods, right? So let's proceed for now third difference. So generic solid class can handle any protocol based request. You can go for get protocol, getter, poster, putter, deleter. Like this you can able to handle any protocol based request, whereas HTTP solid based protocol whereas HTTP solid class based solid program can handle only HTTP based request, means the request to be given from browser window only as a part of HTTP. So generic you can work with the FTP file transfers and other stuff. So let's proceed for one more difference. Generic solids gives only processing logic. Generic solid gives only processing logic, but whereas gives only, let me correct the statement if anything missing. So let me add here the next actually some point is missing. So generic solid gives only service method. It gives only service method which takes two parameters. So the point is missing. So control X. So generic solid gives service method, only service method, that is only service method. Let me control Z. Gives only service method, service method to place method to place request processing logic, to place request processing logic to place request processing logic, whereas HTTP solid gives two service methods, two service methods to place request processing logic. Okay, so gives only one. So let me type here only one. Why it has two service methods? Because HTTP solid is a subclass, is a child class of generic solid. One method of HTTP solid, one method protected method of HTTP solid, and one more method service method of generic solid. Okay, fine boss. Next, generic solid gives solid request comma solid response object. Generic solid gives solid request comma response object, whereas HTTP solid gives HTTP solid request comma HTTP solid response objects. So let us proceed for now the major difference between generic solid and HTTP solids after learning session handling techniques. So while working with the session handling techniques, if you use generic solids, you could not deal with this. So generic solid does not support to implement HTTP cookies and HTTP session with the cookies, as well as HTTP session with the URL rewriting. HTTP session with the URL rewriting based on session tracking technique. Based on session tracking techniques, whereas HTTP solid supports to implement all the techniques of session tracking or session handling or session management. It supports all four. It supports all four. Supports. So let me go for all four techniques. All four techniques. Okay. So it does not support implement to work with HTTP cookies, HTTP session with the cookies, and HTTP session with the URL rewriting. It supports only. It only works with the hidden form fields. Hidden form fields. Okay. Finds. Okay guys, so these are the differences between generic servlet and HTTP servlets. So let me recap once. Generic servlet is a base class to work with the all protocols, whereas HTTP servlet is given as to work with the HTTP protocol only. So generic servlet is an abstract class which contains one abstract method, whereas HTTP servlet is an abstract class with no abstract method. There are no abstract methods in the generic HTTP servlet. Generic servlet based servlet program can handle any protocol based request, whereas HTTP servlet class can handle only HTTP protocol based request. Generic servlet gives only one service method to place request processing logic, whereas HTTP servlet gives two service methods to place request processing logic. So generic servlet contains service method contains servlet request and servlet response object, whereas HTTP servlet contains HTTP servlet request and HTTP servlet response object. Whereas to work, if you are working with the session handling techniques, it supports generic servlet supports only hidden form fields, but it does not support cookies, HTTP session with the cookies, and HTTP session with the URL rewriting. Whereas HTTP servlet supports all four session handling techniques. Supports all four session handling techniques or session tracking or session management techniques. Okay guys, now after learning this, we'll proceed for filters, or you can, instead of filters will go later on. Filters in servlets. Filters in servlets. Otherwise, before going to proceed filters, we'll proceed for, we shall see events in servlets. So we shall see about this topic, events in servlets, and then we will proceed for filters in servlets. Okay boss, fine.